Hello, my name is Dr. Joseph Servin. I'm editor-in-chief of epilepsy.com. Today I'm very excited to be presenting a special roundtable discussion on the Lennox-Gastaut syndrome. I've assembled a group of individuals who I think is going to be very helpful to elucidate everything one really needs to know to deal with this very complicated epilepsy syndrome. I have three special guests. Our first speaker is Dr. Raj Sheth. Dr. Sheth is Chief of Neurology at Nemours in Jacksonville. He's a professor of neurology in the Mayo Clinic College of Medicine, as well as a professor of pediatrics from the University of Florida. He will be discussing the issues of the epidemiology, the general setup as to our background understanding of the condition. This will then be followed by Dr. Randa Girar. Dr. Girar is a pediatric epileptologist at Phoenix Children's Hospital. She's going to be discussing diagnosis, the issues of the larger spectrum of issues that arise around Lennox-Gastaut syndrome, as well as the seizures themselves. And then finally, last but not least, is Dr. Blanca Vasquez. Dr. Vasquez is Director of Clinical Trials at the Comprehensive Epilepsy Program at New York University Medical Center. She's going to guide us through the therapeutic approach. What options do we have? How do we handle the choices of surgery, diet, new medications? I hope when you get to see this in its totality, it will help to guide everyone. What's the best approach for treating people with Lennox-Gastaut? How do we make the diagnosis? How do we empower our viewers, you, our readers, both from a professional standpoint and the public standpoint, to know what is the latest information on this very difficult syndrome so that we can help improve quality of life. Thank you.